Hanuman shatters Arjun's ego. Hanuman challenged Arjun to build a bridge of arrows that could bear his weight. Arjun was overconfident of his skills, so he accepted Hanuman's challenge. They went to a nearby water body. Arjun wanted to show his archery skills. He said, "I will show that I am a better archer than Lord Ram. If the bridge built by me withstands your weight, then I will win the challenge. Or else I will enter a burning fire." Hanuman agreed. He understood that Arjun was filled with arrogance. He wanted to teach Arjun a good lesson. Arjun quickly picked his bow and arrows up and started shooting. Soon, he constructed a huge bridge and asked Hanuman to cross the bridge. Hanuman was chanting Ram's name. Hanuman merely kept his tail upon the bridge, and the bridge crumbled. Arjun was shocked. He could not believe his eyes. His ego was shattered. Hanuman and Arjun see their masters. Arjun had lost the challenge. To keep his word, he immediately built a fire and lit it. He was about to jump into the fire when Krishna appeared there disguised as a sage. He stopped Arjun and asked him the matter. Arjun told him about the challenge. Krishna said, "How can you enter a bet without a witness? You should perform the entire task again in the presence of a witness. This time, I will be the witness." Arjun built a bridge, remembering Lord Krishna's name. This time, when Hanuman stepped onto the bridge did not collapse and it sustained the weight of Hanuman. When Arjun and Hanuman turned back, they saw that the sage was supporting the bridge with his shoulders. Hanuman and Arjun saw the reflection of Ram and Krishna respectively in the sage. They also saw that the sage's shoulders were wounded and bleeding profusely. Hanuman meets Krishna. Both Hanuman and Arjun understood that the sage was no ordinary sage. They immediately went towards the sage and fell at his feet. Hanuman recognized the sage. He was none other than Ram himself. He understood that Krishna was Ram and Ram was Krishna. Both were the incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Krishna revealed his original form and embraced Hanuman. He said, "O Hanuman, do not feel bad. You have not committed any sin. In fact, it is I who will always remain indebted to you. It was because of you that the mission to rescue Sita reached its goal. When we were supposed to cross the bridge, you were the one who carried me on your shoulders. How can I forget that, my dear Hanuman? Today, I am much relieved." Arjun, who was witnessing the entire conversation, felt guilty of his deeds and arrogance. He apologized to Krishna and Hanuman. Hanuman adorns Arjun's flag. There were many legends behind how Hanuman's image came to adorn the flag of Arjun's chariot. According to one legend, a Brahmin once approached Arjun and Krishna and sought their help to quench his hunger. When Krishna and Arjun assured their help, the Brahmin revealed his identity. He was none other than Agni. Agni told them that he wanted to consume the Khandar forest. But Indra, the king of gods, was not letting him to do so. I tried to burn the forest 7 times, but every time Indra's friend Takshak doused the flames. He said, to acute them, Agni gave the Sudarshan Chakra to Krishna and Varun Dev's Gandhiv bow and chariot of white horses and a flag bearing an image of Hanuman to Arjun. Arjun created an umbrella of arrows in the sky so that not even a single drop of rain might reach the forest. Agni then burned the forest and satisfied his hunger.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.